The Air India crash and the death toll of which is at 18, as we stated earlier as well. Some patients, some passengers here to this flight are still facing treatment, still undergoing treatment. 3 of them who were extremely critical here as well. But that has once again brought back the issue regarding the expansion of the Kozhikode airport is concerned. Remember, the Kozhikode airport having the tabletop runway, which is just about 4 across the country. Speaking to Mirror Now, TV Ibrahim, who's the MLA of the area where the airport is located, says that it is public resistance of giving up surrounding land without being fairly compensated, and the lack of political will to go ahead with this, which has caused in preventing the expansion of the airport. Even as the expansion proposal that lies pending with the Airport Authority of India, it is the state government that needs to make its stand very clear on how it wants to go ahead on the compensation that will be given to the people whose land would be taken up for the expansion of the airport here, and that the government still hasn't made its stand clear. Remember, this is the state government here that he's talking about.
You represent the Muslim League. We understand that from people, a lot of them who tell us is that you have not been taking this forward with the government, fearing that you might lose the votes. Is that true?
The land is very essential to the Calicut airport for the development. But the local people is not only responsible for that. The government is also responsible for that that incident. The state government have to acquire the land and give to airport authority. The government is not clear in their stance. Firstly, they requested or demanded for 480 acre bhumi land. Then again they reduced the demand to 236 only. Then now the state government issued a GO. In that GO, they demanded only for 137 acre bhumi, acre land only. They are ready. I think that the local people will give the bhumi if they are getting the sufficient compensation. That is the true.
So because of this acquisition of the land, can you tell us how many people will be displaced?
I think below 100 families only.
Below 100?
Below 100 families, that is only.
That's the only number. Also, sir, can you tell us, I understand that KT Jalil, the minister, he did make a public statement saying that the government is willing to give compensation anywhere between 3 lakh to 10 lakh. This is for 1 cent. So what is the compensation that the Kerala government is looking at now?
Now, government is not clear. Their stand is not clear. Okay. Firstly, in 2017, Mr. KT Jalil, the minister, he stated that they will the government will give for 1 cent land 3 lakhs to 10 lakhs. Then immediately the government CM, Chief Minister Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan, denied that statement. He said that the government will not give that money.